So why do we have this extraordinary apparent rise in mental illness, or perhaps more accurately, extraordinary rise in asylum usage, when our population is declining? It really is, it's an exceptional profile. And if we say perhaps it's to do with very specific local circumstances, poverty, familiarity with these systems of care, or whatever explanation we wish to present, why then do we carry this tendency to use institutions for the care of the mentally ill to other parts of the world? Studies of admissions to asylums in Canada, Australia and Britain show that the Irish are disproportionately overrepresented as admissions in comparison with other migrant groups. So we carry this pattern with us when we leave. So what I'm going to suggest is that perhaps part of the answer for our profile lies in epigenetic change.